Hi, it's Brian Bach. I'm with Bach Steam Star, and today I want to answer a popular question I get: does grout sealer really work? First of all, let's define what grout sealer is. This is for unsanded or for sanded grout that does not have a pre-existing sealer added to it, and that's many of them out there. Okay, so what I've done here is basically have some grout cubes that it's just regular sanded grout with no sealer on it, and this one has grout sealer like we would use at your house. Okay, this is great for sealing up your grout. This is also good for some natural stone as well. So I've got water, I've got a little bit of Kool-Aid, and I've got some oil, and I got some coffee. And what I'm going to do is just put some drops of it on there, and I think what you'll see is the difference between sealed and unsealed. So let's go ahead and we'll do that right now. This is just water. We'll put that on the non-sealed, and initially it'll beat up. Put that there. Let's do our Kool-Aid next. Put that on there. And that there. This is just a little bit of vegetable oil. And you can already see it penetrating into there. We're going to put a little drop there. Okay, and this is just regular old coffee. You spilled that in the kitchen, and I will donate my coffee. This is mine from this morning. Okay, so we put that on there, and you can start coming in because you can already see where the Kool-Aid and the water already went into this, right? And we can put it over here. This is what we call a bead test. You could also just do this with water at your own house to see if you have a functioning sealer. Okay, and we'll pause the video now and just... Okay, we're back. We've given it just about a minute here. Just as you can see, all the water, the oil, the Kool-Aid, and the coffee have kind of absorbed in there and spread out on the non-sealed piece of grout. And over here with our grout sealer, our premium grade grout sealer, this is really, really good stuff, folks. This is probably better than you're going to buy at the big box store. Okay, but look at the bead on there: coffee, vegetable oil, Kool-Aid, and water. This would give you time to get to it and get it out. And we're going to pause for a minute and then transfer over and then rinse these off. Okay, I'm back, and we've just washed these off in the sink here, and so go ahead and zoom in, and we can kind of see on the unsealed grout, you still see the staining that is still apparent in there, and even the haze of the dyes that have gotten in there. If you do the same thing on the other piece, maybe a little bit of penetration on the oil. That's pretty good. Again, we can clean this now. If I had our tile and grout cleaning system, this may give us a chance to get that out of there before it penetrates. So pretty impressive. It does work. A lot of people ask me, do I need to seal my porcelain or ceramic? No, that won't take a sealer. We need porosity, and so your natural stones like travertine and slate need it, and your grout needs it usually. So if we can do that for you, we're happy to come out and give you a bid. Thank you.